is from Area 7, Athena Heart Abelia. Hello, Athena. Sige, tell us your drawing. Go, start.
Hello, everybody. My name is Athena Abelia. I'm 4 years old. I live in Abugay. My teacher is Teacher Matel. Wakasan, Talikyasan, at Kalapatan, at Bata, Ibang Laban. This is my drawing. This is my school. This is Flim Flim Flop. This is me. This is my friends. We go to school every day. We play and learn. God let us play simple. Instead, educate us, protect us, help us. Because ang pataligtas at masaya ay patasa ng bayan.
Thank you, Heart. What a heartfelt storytelling of yours. No, may ada nga to no cell phone daw kung naging ko confiscate ha era. So ibig sabihin you don't play or use cell phone during classes. Kakasya ko ikaw, di. So, thank you. Thank you, Heart. Ayan. Sana may pagmamahal ka ba? Okay, anyways. Congratulations. And our first placer, ladies and gentlemen, for Draw and Tell contest got a combined score of 94%. Congratulations to Kamon Sanchez. From Area 7 is Athena Heart Abelia. Congratulations. And to the non-winners, you will also be receiving my consolation prizes. Consolation prizes. And players coming from your bigger work.